Understanding and addressing the temperature. Warning light in your car. The temperature warning light on your car's dashboard is a critical indicator that should never be ignored. This light alerts you to potential issues with your vehicle's cooling system, which plays a crucial role in preventing engine damage. Neglecting this warning sign can lead to severe and costly consequences. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore what the temperature warning light means, the underlying causes, and the steps you should take when it illuminates. Welcome to Auto VFix, our YouTube channel exclusively dedicated to all things automotive. In today's video, we'll be delving deep into the topic of understanding and addressing the temperature warning light in your car. What does the temperature warning light mean? The temperature warning light, also known as the coolant temperature light or engine temperature light, is designed to illuminate when the engine coolant temperature exceeds a safe level. This light can be red, orange, or blue, depending on the car manufacturer's color coding system. A red or orange temperature warning light indicates that the coolant temperature is too high, which could lead to engine overheating. Overheating can cause severe damage to various engine components, such as the cylinder head, pistons, gaskets, and even the engine block itself. If left unchecked, it can potentially result in a catastrophic engine failure, requiring an expensive rebuild or replacement. On the other hand, a blue temperature warning light typically means that the coolant temperature is too low, which can also be problematic for your engine's performance and longevity. Low coolant temperatures can cause incomplete combustion, decreased fuel efficiency, and increased emissions. What causes the temperature warning light to turn on? Several factors can contribute to the temperature warning light illuminating, and understanding these causes can help you address the issue promptly and effectively. 1. Low coolant level. One of the most common reasons for the temperature warning light to turn on is a low coolant level in the cooling system. A leak in the radiator, hoses, water pump, or other components can cause coolant loss, preventing the system from effectively dissipating heat from the engine. 2. Faulty thermostat. The thermostat is a critical component that regulates the flow of coolant in the system. If it's stuck in the closed position, it can prevent the coolant from circulating properly, leading to overheating. Conversely, if it's stuck open, it can cause the engine to run too cool, resulting in incomplete combustion and decreased performance. 3. Coolant leak. In addition to low coolant levels, leaks in the cooling system can also cause the temperature warning light to illuminate. Leaks can occur in various components, such as the radiator, hoses, water pump, or engine block itself. Even a small leak can lead to coolant loss and subsequent overheating. 4. Broken or stuck cooling fan. The cooling fan plays a vital role in regulating the temperature of the coolant by drawing air through the radiator. If the cooling fan is not working correctly or is stuck, it can prevent proper heat dissipation, causing the engine to overheat. 5. Failed water pump. The water pump is responsible for circulating the coolant through the engine and radiator. If it fails, the coolant won't flow properly, leading to inadequate cooling and potential overheating. 6. Radiator issues. A clogged or damaged radiator can prevent proper heat dissipation, resulting in overheating. This can be caused by debris buildup, corrosion, or physical damage to the radiator's fins or core. 7. Electrical issues. In some cases, the temperature warning light may illuminate due to electrical problems, such as faulty sensors, wiring issues, or a malfunctioning engine control module, ECM. What should you do when the temperature warning light comes on? If the temperature warning light illuminates while you're driving, it's crucial to take immediate action to prevent further damage to your engine. 1. Pull over and stop the vehicle as soon as it's safe to do so. Continuing to drive with an overheating engine can cause severe and irreparable damage. Find a safe place to pull over and turn off the engine. 2. Turn off the engine and allow it to cool down completely. Do not attempt to open the radiator cap or add coolant while the engine is hot, as this can cause scalding and injury. Wait for the engine to cool down completely before proceeding. 3. Check the coolant level and top it up if necessary. Once the engine has cooled, check the coolant level in the overflow reservoir or radiator. Consult your owner's manual for the exact location. If the coolant level is low, add the appropriate type of coolant recommended by your vehicle's manufacturer. Never use water alone, as it can cause further damage to the cooling system. 4. Inspect the cooling system for any visible leaks or damage. Look for any signs of coolant leakage, such as puddles on the ground or coolant stains around the engine compartment. Also, check for any visible damage to the hoses, radiator, or other components. 5. If no leaks or damage are visible and the coolant level is adequate, you may be able to continue driving with caution. In some cases, the temperature warning light may have illuminated due to a temporary issue, such as debris blocking the radiator or a stuck thermostat. However, it's still recommended to have the vehicle inspected by a professional mechanic as soon as possible to identify and address the root cause. 6. If a leak or damage is detected, or if the temperature warning light remains on after adding coolant, do not continue driving. Attempting to drive with an overheating engine or a significant coolant leak can lead to further damage and potentially leave you stranded. Instead, have the vehicle towed to a qualified repair shop for diagnosis and repair. It's important to note that in rare cases, some vehicles, like certain Cadillac models with the North Star V8 engine, are designed to deactivate half of the cylinders temporarily to reduce heat when overheating is detected. This feature, known as displacement on demand, is intended to provide a temporary solution to allow you to drive a short distance to reach a repair facility. However, this is not a permanent solution, and you should still have the vehicle inspected and repaired as soon as possible. Remember, ignoring the temperature warning light can have severe consequences, ranging from decreased fuel efficiency and increased emissions to catastrophic engine failure. It's better to be proactive and address any cooling system issues as soon as they arise, rather than risking costly repairs or potential safety hazards down the road. And that concludes our discussion on understanding and addressing the temperature warning light in your car. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more DIY automotive content, and hit that notification bell. Drop your comments below if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover. Until next time, stay safe and happy driving.